Yeah. Okay, we are offering a 1981 Yamaha TZ250. The motorcycle's never been crashed. We believe it's the original grips, original paint. For some reason, we believe someone replaced this at one time. I don't know the whole story, as the bike is over 30 years old anyway. So the bike runs well. As he was saying, that this is for the World Grand Prix, the green here left behind.
Yeah, was here.
See the outline? So there's the green paint. Nice body parts.
100% genuine.
It's all original paint. And all nice original parts. Never been crashed. Then if you come to here, there's a ton of spares. Spare bearings, spare gears, spare pistons, spare crankshaft, some gearing, gaskets, clutch, heads. We are not selling it as a we have no title for it as it's a race bike, but look how nice. No explosions.
Yeah, all brand new. All new parts.
This is the real deal here. There's probably $3,000 or $4,000 just in parts only right here. This is all new stuff. So if you buy it and blow it up, you can fix it. This would be a nice club racer for here in the States. Or this would be a great piece for someone's collection. It comes with a parts book and a service book in case you want to work on it.
Yeah, it's English, all English.
Nice pictures of what it looked like when it was new with the number plates and everything. That's the green plate up front we were talking about. And here's where the gap is on the fairing. This is where the other green goes. So very nice. Here's the striping like we're talking about and everything. Never been crashed. Beautiful tank. Everything's beautiful. Okay, and there could be a low-cost shipping involved if you're interested. Still have the original decal, closed circuit use only. So don't ride this on the road. You'll get in trouble with it. Okay, well, thanks for looking at it, and like I say, we could have some low-cost shipping available on request. So hope to see it on the track again someday. Thanks.
Sounds good.